Whether you're kicking off grilling season or just enjoying a nice day outside, there's nothing better than a delicious burger. And I've got a simple recipe for you today that you can knock out of the park anytime. Hello once again, everybody. My name is Mike. Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video. Before we jump into this recipe, I want to let you know we're going to have all the El Yucateco social media links down below. And don't forget to follow us here so you don't miss out on all these great recipe videos that we're putting out. And don't fear, I'm going to have all the details for this recipe listed down below in the video description. This burger recipe starts with a delicious burger sauce. I have here 1/2 cup of mayonnaise as our base. Let's add some ketchup. 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of sweet relish. Time to elevate this burger sauce. We're going to kick it up with some El Yucateco Red. Anywhere from 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce is perfect, depending on how much kick you want. And just give this a good mix to combine. And there we go. Now just get this set aside into your refrigerator and let it chill until it's time to serve. Okay, it's time to build our burger patty. I just have here a piece of parchment paper and my secret weapon for making perfect burger patties, a 4.5-inch baking ring. 4.5 inches is the perfect size because it'll make sure that your burger patty fills out the bun. So we're just going to lay that down. We are going to build our burger patty today out of 80-20 ground beef. You can use ground beef or ground chuck, just make sure it's 80-20. Simply pull it apart and lay it into the baking ring. Pulling this apart and building it in this baking ring are going to assure us not only a perfect shaped burger patty, but that it will also not puff up in the middle during cooking. So just gently press this together, but do not press it too hard. We're going to be making about a 1/2 pound burger patty today, so we're just going to continue to go ahead and fill out this ring. And again, just press gently enough to get everything to come together, but don't press too hard. You want to leave a little bit of airiness to this patty. Now once you have that put together, just gently hold down on the patty and remove the ring. Now we'll pat down these edges. And there we go, the perfect burger patty. Just hit it up with a little bit of salt and pepper. And there we go. Now we're just gonna let this hang out for a little bit while we get our grill preheated.
Now it's time to get outside and preheat your grill. We're gonna be using a pellet grill today, cooking between 225 and 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your grill is preheated, go ahead and get your burger patty on the cooker. We'll be cooking this the whole way without flipping or moving it. Simply let it cook until it reaches your desired doneness. And by the way, having an Insta-Read thermometer is a really good idea when you're cooking burgers. I like mine medium to medium rare, but you should cook yours to whatever desired doneness you prefer. Now get that lid closed and start cooking. This will take anywhere from 25 to 45 minutes depending on how you like your burger done. Once you reach your desired temperature, it's time to add some cheese and toast your bun. Now let's build this burger. Always serve your burger directly onto the bottom bun to take advantage of all that goodness and flavor. Now it's time to add all of your favorite toppings. Mine are thinly sliced tomato, thinly sliced red onion, pickle, and of course, it's time for that delicious burger sauce that we made. And finish it off with the crown.
We nailed this cook. All right, time for my favorite part of the video, and believe me, I really hate to do this to you, but cheers. When I was testing this recipe, I thought to myself that this was one of the best burger sauces I've ever made, and it's very simple, just a few ingredients, and I stand by that now. This is really good. I gotta go in for seconds. Again, sorry, I hate to do this to you, eating in front of you like this. So we get those classic burger flavors from the ketchup, the mustard, and the mayonnaise. The relish adds the sweetness, but the El Yucateco Red just kicks this recipe out of the park. There's a perfect amount of kick, and it just sends the flavor off the charts. And yeah, we nailed this burger cook. So this is very simple, and you can do this at home. And don't forget till next time to kick up all your recipes with the king of flavor. And I will see you on the next video.